I'm going to be going over the transition resource folder for the moderate severe population on behalf of the We Care Transition Program. So first we're going to go over the resource tab. I'm going to briefly explain what each of these resources are and the services that they offer. So Department of Rehabilitation works in partnership with consumers and stakeholders to provide services and advocacy resulting in employment, independent living, and equality for individuals with disabilities. So below you can see that we have attached a map. So if you are on your smart device, you'll be able to click this and it will take you directly to our Antelope Valley branch. The next resource that I'm going to be going over is Regional Center. Regional Center works to coordinate or provide community support services, resources, and access to services for individuals with developmental disabilities and their families. The next one we're going to talk about is Social Security Administration. This is the link right here that's going to take you to any information that you're wondering about the Social Security office and how that all works for your student. Next, we're going to go over conservatorship. Conservatorship is a legal concept whereby a court appoints a person to manage an incapacitated person or minor's financial and personal affairs. This is additional information on how to go about this process. Next, we're going to talk about access and safety. Access is a complimentary paratransit service for functionally disabled individuals in Los Angeles County. So this is the link that you're going to click to go about gaining access to that. The next transportation agency that we're going to go over is the Antelope Valley Transit Authority, and this link is going to take you directly to the tap card that is offered for the disabled reduced fare card so that they would be able to ride the bus at a lower rate. The next thing we're going to go over is Department of Motor Vehicles, and this link that we have listed right here is the link that will take you to any additional information that you would need on gaining access to that identification card. And then I'm going to be going over what these scans are. So this first scan is the community-based service and adult day programs. So these are all additional adult day programs that you can look further into that we have scanned for your convenience. Another scan that we have attached is the conservatorship paperwork and scan that you would find on the website, but just in a packet right here that you'll be able to access easily. And that's that scan. So now we're going to move over to the college tab, which is right here. And we're going to go over the college to career programs that are offered. So CSUN Explorers is a program to increase the employability and independence of individuals with intellectual developmental disabilities. And College of the Canyons offers a similar program called Uniquely Abled Academy, which provides an intensive career preparation program for job seekers with high functioning autism. So if you're interested in either of these programs, you'll go to the website, you'll click the link right here, and for CSUN, there are links right here. I've also listed the applications right below. We have scanned in some additional information on the CSUN Explorers right here. And then we did the same thing for College of the Canyons Uniquely Abled program. So that's what's scanned in right here. Now we're going to move below and you'll be able to see a bunch of these maps that will take you to the areas that offer college and career programs in the state of California. These are all in different areas. So as you can see, this first one is in San Diego. This one is in San Jose. This one is in Sacramento. This one is in Santa Rosa. This one moves to Fresno, Shasta College, Alameda, and then Sacramento again. So these are just some various college career programs that you can look into for your student. Next, we're going to move on to recreation. This page is full of resources and events that consumers or students can participate in to still allow them to get out and socialize and be a part of different teams or activities, which I think is very important to still allow them to be social. So there's the Special Olympics, bowling, chess, dance. They have another bowling league, some soccer. So these are just some cool saddle up horse riding, just activities that they can participate in. Now we're going to move on to our uploads tab. And our uploads tab is additional information on the information that I have already reviewed with you briefly. And this has been provided in scans here for your convenience. This tab reviews some more additional information on Social Security, the Department of Motor Vehicles. So you can go ahead and just scroll through and hopefully find what you're looking for. And then we have age out requirements, which is another scan that we have uploaded right here. Additional information on Regional Center, which you can see we scanned in 4 pages on this. And then we have Department of Rehabilitation, just the different services and areas that this is offered at. And then we have information on the Selective Service System. So now we are going to talk about the Contact Us portion of our website. And I want to say, please feel free to contact Debbie and myself. We are the designated pre-vocational transition specialists. We have left you the best way to contact us, which currently is through our district email. We will get back to you with any questions or concerns that you have regarding the best choice for the next step in your child's future. Thank you for listening to my presentation on this resource folder.